Hello, my name is Eric from Node Networking, and in this video we are going to see how you can control your Atavism Cloud Server. So to control your server is essentially very important because when you do changes inside your editor, like adding a new item or changing a mob, adding a mob, you have to restart the Atavism server for the changes to take effect. Now, in the next version 10.6, there will be a hot reload, so you don't have to restart the server all the time. But for now, we have to do it for every changes we do. And we can do this in two ways. The first and the easiest way is to use the editor. When we do a change, for example, let's find us an item. These boots looks cool. Let's duplicate it. Let's call them super duper boots. Nothing fancy. Let's just give them a rare quality. Let's update. Now, for these boots to be visible in the game, they are not before we restart the server. So in order to do so, we can go up here. You can see two dots. The A stands for authentication and the W stands for the world. And these two indicators are only available for the Atavism Cloud Server and the pre-made virtual machine image provided you to by the Dragon Sand team. So we can click on this and you can stop the server and you can start/restart the server. So if you have stopped it, just click the start restart button. But now let's restart and you can see they turned yellow. This means that the server is now in the queue for a restart. So now you just have to wait until it turns green again, like they just did. Now, they are a little bit misleading because they turn green a little bit too fast. As you can see, it's just turned red. The server usually needs additional 30 to 60 seconds to fully start up. And now you can see it turned green again. So now let's see if the new boots we just duplicated and renamed are in the game. And I forgot, we actually have to make ourselves an admin so we can give ourselves the new boots. And then we restart the server again after changing our permission level. So we just have to wait, give it 30 seconds, 60 seconds. And again it turns green, but it still needs a few extra seconds, half a minute to fully start. So it's still not fully started up, so just wait a little bit more. There we go. Let's enter the world. And now we have access to the admin panel. So let's search for our boot. And I can't see, the screen is too small, so let's just resize. Generate item, super duper boots, here we go. And now we have the super duper boots. Another way we can control the server is directly in the command line. And for that we have to open our Windows terminal. And we need our server details. So the IP address and the root password. So I'm just going to copy this. And then we type SSH root as user at the server IP. Enter the root password. And now we're in. And here we have two methods of controlling our server. While in the root directory, if we list the directory, you can see we have a script called Atavism Restarts. And if we execute that, it will both restart the authentication server and the world server. And once we see the green beautiful text telling us it's done, the world server is ready for login. And now, as you can see, it says done initializing. You can now log in. The other way, we can enter our Atavism server folder, list the directory and enter the bin folder. And if I list the directory again, we have the auth.sh and the world.sh. We can stop only the authentication server by using this command. Or we can start it up. And you could use the restart command. And you can do the same for the world.sh-vc restart. And there you have it. How you control your Atavism server.